In this 3 mark subjective question, they are directing us to specify in which way emasculation and bagging is executed in artificial hybridization technique to get a superior variety of the result plant. For this, we need to give the reason with the appropriate specification by illustrating the various substage. For this, we are giving the emasculation bagging illustrating diagram. In this picture, you can see in the bisexual flower. After removing the anther, we are controlling the pollination by dusting the pollen grain of the required variant, and then we are covering the bisexual flower in the sterile polythene bag. In this way, we are executing the bagging. With this specification, let me say the point by narration for securing 3 mark. Emasculation is carried out only in the bisexual flower. Bagging is done in unisexual female flower as well as in bisexual flower. For this specification, we are getting 1 mark. Emasculation is done before the anther dices or matures. Bagging is done before the stigma become receptive. For this specification, we are getting 1 mark. And for specifying, it is done to prevent contamination of stigma with unwanted pollen or from the same pollen or the same flower. This condition is allowing the pollination to occur with desirable pollen. For this specification, we are getting another 1 mark. In this way, we are satisfying the overall 3 mark demand of the first optional subjective question. In the second optional sub question, they are directing us to define apomixis and they are insisting us to specify in which way it is significant in developing the commercial strain. For this, we are specifying it is a special mechanism of asexual reproduction that mimics the sexual reproduction to produce seed without fertilization. For this specification, we are getting 1 mark. There is no segregation of the character in the progeny. Farmer can develop apomictic hybrid and use them year after year to cut the cost. For this specification, we are getting 2 mark. In this way, we are satisfying the overall 3 mark demand of the second optional sub question.